Some ways of living are forgotten, but they were never meant to disappear. Here, the land provides, and in return, we take only what we need.
Why did the chicken join our village? Because it heard the food here is extraordinary.
Everyone here has a role, not assigned, but discovered. And in giving your hands, you begin to understand your place.
Live with nature. Live with each other. Live free.
How are you? Hello. How are you?
Time moves differently here. Not faster, just fuller. The water feeds us and teaches us patience. We move, but never in a hurry. We don't take from nature, we live with it. What we know is passed on, not written in books, but lived every day.
Gently, little one. That's right. Just like that.
Okay.
Out there, life is measured in things. Here, it is measured in meaning. A life built on service to one another, to the land, and to God. Here, life isn't rushed. It unfolds, one moment at a time. Even rest has meaning here.
This is so cozy.
It is. Perfect.
And maybe we were never meant to do life alone. Not this fast, not this far from what matters.